Hello everyone and welcome back. Now in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to update Windows drivers. Now the first method is through the Windows updates. Now how do we do this? You press the Windows key and the I key, your keyboard, and as you can see I'm already here. So let me just walk you through how I got here. Let me walk you through how I got here. So Windows and the I key. So it will bring you here. And then the next thing you're going to do, you'll click on Updates and Security, and then you click on Windows Updates on the left hand side here, and to bring you here. It's as simple as that. So once it brings you here, you will see an option for Check for Updates. So click on that Check for Updates, and to do that, so you can see it is mine already updating already. So the next method you can use is by using Device Manager. Now you can open a device manager by pressing Windows key plus the X key, select device manager, expand the display adapter to show you sound, video and game controllers, to also show you network adapters. So expand the category of the one you want to update. It's as simple as that. And then once you find one you want to update, right click on that specific device and select Update Driver. Then choose Search Automatically for Driver. So Windows will search for and install the latest compatible driver. You can also use Browse My Computer for drivers instead of Search Automatically for drivers, and manually locate the driver files if you've already downloaded them from the manufacturer's website. Now, how can you download from the manufacturer's website? Go to the support page of your computer's manufacturer, e.g. Dell, HP or Lenovo. Then you search for the drivers using your computer model to search for and download the latest drivers for a specific device. Next, run the downloaded driver installation file and follow the on-screen instructions. Please note, after updating driver, it is recommended to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. And before updating your driver, it's a good practice to create a system restore point or backup your important files. By following this step or methods, you can ensure your Windows drivers are up to date, which can improve system stability, performance, and compatibility with new hardware and software. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye.